prospective investors to really help you get to know us and also the market need that we're addressing better. Our campaign can be accessed at our investment website, which is invest.blendid.com. But please note that we are closing this campaign in just over 3 weeks on Friday, October 14th. So if you're interested in joining us, please don't wait too long.
It's about 2.5 weeks now.
Marketing for Blendid. Blendid builds robotic and AI-enabled food automation solutions that produce food efficiently, profitably, and with a compact footprint, we can operate where fresh food doesn't exist today. Our first product is an autonomous robotic kiosk that makes healthy and delicious smoothies fresh on demand and customized to a consumer's individual taste and nutrition preferences. So these are automated and customized fresh food products. This concept is completely new to the market. We started smoothie kiosks publicly 3 years ago in 2019 in California-based universities. And we've since expanded to big box retail stores, a mall, a travel center, and 4 universities on the East Coast. We recently and a Love's travel stop and are gearing up for many more openings, including, we're very excited about this, our first hospital and airport. At this point, we have a tremendous amount of operating experience and data. We've served over 90,000 smoothies. And we're very fortunate to be working with some tremendous strategic retail and food service operators. These include Walmart, Sodexo, Jamba, and others. Last year, we also received a strategic investment from Focus Brands, which is the parent of Jamba, and signed a commercial agreement with Jamba to enable our companies to expand and deploy Jamba by Blendid kiosks across the country in various types of commercial locations. So far, we've opened 6 locations with Jamba on both coasts. Now that we've been able to fine-tune our technology through in-market operations and also attract large multinational partners, our next step is to exponentially scale our current product and expand such as soups, sandwiches, and more. This is of making healthy food more accessible. But for the purpose of you as a person or current investor, better understand the market opportunity and our approach to addressing it. We're confident, and our partners are confident, in our ability to continue to lead this fast-growing food robotics market. And we believe that after you get to know us better, you'll understand why. Today, our CEO, Vipin Jain, will review the Blendid opportunity for about 20 minutes, and then we'll show you a live demo of ordering at one of our locations. After that, we'll move on to questions. You can enter your questions in the Q&A section, and we'll do our best to get to all of your questions in the time we have today. Also want to let you know that this session is being recorded and will be distributed to all registered participants tomorrow. Now on the show, I'd like to introduce our CEO and co-founder, Vipin Jain. Vipin is an avid Star Trek fan. He's always dreamed about crazy ideas from science fiction becoming reality. He was originally inspired by the Star Trek Replicator, which is a machine that can create personalized meals on demand. And he co-founded Blendid in 2015. Vipin's also a serial entrepreneur, and he's co-founded 2 other companies in addition to Blendid. His portfolio now boasts over 30 patents, either granted or in process, which includes 13 for Blendid. In his free time, when he has it, Vipin enjoys mentoring entrepreneurs and the robotics team at Saratoga High School in California, spending time with his family, and occasionally watching reruns of Star Trek. So, without further ado, I'll turn it over to Vipin.
Thank you, Kovan, and good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. I'm glad you guys are here. So before I go through a few slides, as they say, if a picture is worth 1,000 words, a video is worth a million. Let me start with a quick...
Before we go into the video, I want to just say that I think the profile of the company and the progress they've made so far is very good. They've said they've got 6 locations across the country in the United States, which is a start. And they've obviously got revenue, and it's automated kiosks similar to Star Trek. I've seen the video already. I'm going to be publishing other videos on Blendid, and if you watch this in its entirety or its chapters, you will see how it works. But it's also important to understand the caliber of Vipin. He's a serial entrepreneur. He's going through the IP IP process with intellectual property and patents either pending or granted for this product. So it sounds like it's really fantastic. And I think that it's got good foundations for wide success. Let's carry on.
Video, and then we'll go through